Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Bimbli Pickle, a tangy, spicy and flavor-packed Goan delicacy that has a perfect balance of heat, tang and rich texture. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Bimbli Pickle made with naturally sour Bimblis, mustard seeds, Kashmiri red chilli powder and aromatic spices. A staple in Goan cuisine, Bimbli is loved for enhancing both pickles and curries. In this recipe, I'll share simple cooking tips to help you make an authentic, preservative-free pickle that pairs beautifully with fish curry and rice or everyday meals. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Bimbli Pickle. Step 1. Preparing the Bimblis. We have taken 40 Bimblis weighing around 1 kg. Wash them properly. Pat dry them completely. Cut off both the ends first and then cut the Bimbli the way I have shown. Similarly, cut the remaining Bimblis. You can also cut them into longer slices if you prefer. Once all the Bimblis are cut, place them in a clean dry plastic or glass bowl. Do not place them in a brass, iron or aluminium vessel. Take 2 tablespoons of salt. Apply the salt nicely to the Bimblis. Cover and keep them aside for 2 hours or until it changes color and leaves some liquid. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients for dry grinding. On medium-low heat, place a heavy bottom pan. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. Stir frequently to prevent burning. After around a minute, add 20 medium-sized black peppercorns. Stir everything nicely. Now add half teaspoon of fenugreek or methi seeds. Dry roast them for 2 to 3 minutes until it gives a nice aroma. Once done, turn off the heat and keep it in a place to cool down. In a mixer grinder, add the mustard seeds, black peppercorns and fenugreek seeds once they have cooled down. Grind to a coarse powder. Ground pickle powder is ready. Ingredients for preparing the pickle. You will need 5 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of mustard dal. Step 3. Preparing the reserve liquid. After around 2 hours, there will be a lot of liquid that has come from the Bimblis. Place a strainer on top of the bowl to drain the liquid. Pour the Bimblis in a strainer and keep them aside for some time. After some time, all the liquid will be drained out from the Bimblis. Pour the liquid into a pan. On medium heat, boil the reserve liquid until the quantity reduces to half. Once done, keep it aside to cool down. Our reserve liquid is ready.
Hello everyone, we would like to introduce our new channel Get Cooking Global, where we share restaurant-style Indian and international recipes in the same detailed, step-by-step recipe style that you've seen on Get Cooking Now. So, if you love restaurant-style dishes and want to prepare them at home, then you must definitely check out our new channel Get Cooking Global. The link for our new channel is provided in the description box. Or simply mention Get Cooking Global in your comment and we will send you the link. Now, let's continue with our recipe.
Step 4. Preparing the Bimbli Pickle. On medium-low heat, place a wide-open, heavy-bottomed stainless steel or non-stick pan. Add 6 tablespoons of sunflower oil or your regular cooking oil and 6 tablespoons of mustard oil. You will get 3/4 cup mixture of sunflower and mustard oil. Heat the oil. Oil helps to increase the shelf life of the pickle. Once the oil is smoking hot, remove half the quantity of heated oil from the pan and set it aside for later use. Now place the pan with the remaining oil on medium-low heat. Add the mustard seeds. You can reduce the quantity of oil used in the pickle if you don't need to store the pickle for a longer duration. Once the mustard seeds start to splutter, add the asafoetida or hing powder. Also add the mustard dal. Mix it nicely. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the ground pickle powder. Mix everything nicely. Add the bimbli pieces. Mix everything properly. Add the Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix thoroughly to ensure all the bimbli pieces are coated well with the spices and oil. Also add the reserve liquid that was boiled. Mix everything nicely. Add 3 tablespoons of salt or adjust the salt as per your taste preference. Mix everything properly. Add the heated oil which was kept aside to cool down. Check the taste and add whatever is required. Remove the pickle from the heat and put it in a glass or ceramic bowl to cool down. Do not cover the glass or ceramic bowl. Let the pickle cool completely at room temperature before storing it in a clean, sterilized, completely dry, airtight glass or ceramic container. Keep it in a cool, dry place. Let the pickle mature for at least 2 to 3 days before consuming. Ensure that there is a layer of oil floating over the pickle always, as it will preserve the pickle better. The pickle can also be kept in the refrigerator after it has matured. Delicious Bimbli pickle is ready. Enjoy this delicious Bimbli pickle with dal or fish curry and rice. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.